That's still insane! That's absurd. I have to figure that math out, because I don't know if 2,000 damage every 1 second or fully automatic fucking like 700 damage. I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely better. It's definitely better. Cause I mean, dude, the amount of damage you get per second is just absurd. We have to land every shot. But with the other, my main one, that just obliterates fucking bosses. You know, you have to land it right at the feet, or right on the boss itself, or anything itself. Oh, where did it go? I guess it's this way. Yep.
Help! I was the only one to make it out. The survivors. You have to help them.
Of course I can help. What happened?
A group of psychotic order troops. They're capturing augurs. Experimenting. They attacked us so suddenly. I ran to get help, but... I won't make it. If you could save anyone. My brother.
Tell me where to go. I just need to know where to go.
There's an order camp near the black site. Careful. They're everywhere. Slaughter.
I will stop them. Your sacrifice
He's
will
blinking.
not be in vain. I promise.
It won't be in vain. I'm just not doing it right now. I got stuff to do. Stuff to do fast. This thing is extremely annoying, I'm not gonna lie. It's never accurate. Hardly.
Maurice narrows his eyes to see a fellow hunter. Be welcome to his shifting wares.
What is this?
Maurice's inventory will shed its old modifiers to display new, fresh frills on the same items as before. But a
Black
snarl
market.
of caution. This cowardly machine flees to a new location after a short time. So feast on Maurice's bounty while it is red and dripping. And of course, the first taste is always free. But then,
The hunger.
if warm bloods wish to tear each other's throats,
Yo! Oh, it's this! I've been wanting this! This is trash. What is that? Crit like crazy! Bundled on hit spawns missiles that home in on nearby enemies that deal 1,406 damage each. Positive reinforcement on kill 15. Is there a difference between any of them?
Foxy's got yet another side business she wants to show you. Go chat with her. The Meteors! They've gone crazy!
I might just have to buy. I just might have to find another one.
Oh! Vault Hunter! You gotta help us before the uprising exterminates us all!
Bring it down 20% and try again. There's an uprising?
Oh my god! I can't believe I actually got it. That's insane.
It's the Meteors! The guns have started attacking on their own! A pack of them even ran us out of our old base! I would have taken them on myself, but, you know...
Main question, bro. Main quest, bro.
wanted to keep living.
I'll do it. I'll do it, bro. Trust. I'll do it, bro. Trust, bro. Trust, bro. I'll do it, bro.
Damn it, all the crap, they're back!
I'll do it, bro. I'll save you. I'm a god. I'm a god. I am Jesus Christ himself. I am the second timekeeper in power.
You know, they say guns
I'm
don't
the
kill people,
man.
but this has me questioning my worldview.
I swear, Borderlands needs to change some stuff. I got a few propositions for him. I'm not gonna lie. Well, one, they need to add the ability to change the color of your, you know, this line.
Hey, big spender, I've got something to thrill you. You might have seen my...
Oh my God, it's beautiful! It's beautiful!
Maybe even used a couple? Well, the studs and babes in the lab have been working to kick 'em up a notch and put on a real show.
I gotta do it
We've
while
got
I'm
one
here.
ready and waiting for you. And don't worry.
Oh, it's
I
locked.
already have plenty of cameras set up, so no one will miss the bloodshed.
I've been purchasing this big Encore, bro.
You sure you want to do this?
Oh, that's trash. That's trash. He is so much stronger than I remember. So much stronger than I remember. How is he that strong? What the fuck? I used to beat him like non-stop. Yeah, let me do this. Good God.
What a show, sugar.
Yeah. Oh!
Girls Day. I'll be sponsoring fights all over Cairo, so keep an eye out. Mwah. See you around.
Are you kidding me?
Live to tell the tale. I'm
Ooh,
impressed,
it's an
Trevor.
upgrade.
Come back and let's talk.
Only if I got that for free. Yo. Hold on, let me switch this out. I have to sell this thing. This thing sucks. Armor shard doesn't matter. I don't fuck with the armor shard. It's bullshit. Okay, well, fuck off. Are you kidding me? Are you BFFR? There we go. Oh, I'm already up here. What am I doing? Yeet. There we go. A bunch of purples. What the fuck? Okay. Mission. What is this? Track mission. Map.